Hey guys, good day. We are here again. This video we'll be learning about I'll be showing you some of the trade which I just took. We'll show some of the trade which I just took, and you can see position history here. You can see position history. This you can see the trade I took. 2%, 1%, which is 3.5%. You can see 2.5%. That's about 10%. That's about 10%. You can see this one, that's about 12%. You can see this one, that's about 15 to 16%. Then 4% loss. That's now we are drawn back -4, 16 -4%. We have 12%. It's still profitable. Then we have -5%, 5.5, which is we have 8.20% profit. That means we are still profitable. Then we have this 0.5%. Remember, we have 8% left. Now we have 4%. Now it's not 12% back. Now this is how trading work. Now we have 6%, 0.6%. Now it's 12% profit. Now the list goes on. You see that whenever you minus the losses, the profit is always high. That's how trading is. That's how profitable. This is a profitable trading. I'm just showing you guys to see. You can see the time. You can see the time. You can see the time to this date. Look, check your date today. Today is May 11. Your country might be May 12 or May 10 due to the difference. You understand? But they are all the same time. You can see the time frame there. You can see the time frame 10. Yes, you can see it's today. This is today trade. You can see 2%. Imagine you have 10k to trade this account. If you have 10k, or let's say you have 10k for it, you have 1k. Let's make it small. Let's say you have $1,000 to be traded this account. If you make 2.3%, 2.5%, that is about $25 profit. If you have 1k to trade, that is $25 profit. Now if you have the 12% we have just calculated, if it is the total days, which is that this trade is about some days, about 2-3 days. This is about 4 days trade, 4 to 5 days trade. And currently, after profit and loss, we now made around 12% after profit and loss we have made for this week. Now you can see that we still have 12% profit. Now let's cap it as 10% profit. If you have 1k, $1,000 to be trading, the 10k is now $100. It's not bad in a week or some days, depending on your capital. This is a safe trade. Now if you have 2k, to trade, the 10% I've just made within the week, that is around $200. Not bad. Now if you have 10k, upward to trade, the 10% is 1k. You can see it there. 1k profit. The 10% I made is 1k profit. If the bigger your capital, the bigger the profit. This 1% of 10k is $100 for just 1 day trading. Now it's not even up to a day, just few hours. The trade is done. I don't trade for a whole day. I scalp most times. Understand? Before I trade a long time is when there's a certain movement, targeting something. But my regular trade is scalping. So you can see the scalping over there. The trades, these are live trades. You can see the loss I've just minus from the trade. The 9, this is 5, this is 5, this is 4. Minus it, this is 0. This 0.4, 0.5. This is 4% profit. Now if you minus this 9%, which is I only have 2 losses only out of 9 to 8 trades. I have only 2 days loss, which is 9 days trade, 9 times trade, 2 times loss. That's profitability. That's about 80% to 90% profitability chance. So if you want to learn how to be profitable, the game is something you can learn to trade. So if you're interested to learn how to trade, you want to join the trading community. Let's say you have 1k, you have 10k, dollars, you have $100 to trade, or even you have $50, I can tell you what to do in the industry as well with $50, but that is very too small. At least you need $100 upward to see reasonable amount of money. For instance, if you have $10, you trade, you make $10. It's 10% of your money. Now you have 1K, you make 10%. That is $100. Now you have $1,000, you make 10%. That you have $10,000, you make 10%. That is $1,000. It's something you can trade. This is something people are not getting in a matter of days. This is what you can get from trading. That is the benefit. Now, I'm using very low leverage as well. So if you are using, you can use, I'm using 5x as well. So if I'm to use 10x, which I can use 5x as well, I'm using it. I'm going to show you that in another video. If I'm to using 10x, that means this profit will be doubled. Like those places you are seeing, where you are seeing 2%, you will be seeing 5% profit. Where you are seeing 1%, you will be seeing 2% profit, such as a loss. So that's how it is. So guys, that is it. That's how the trade works. So if you want to know how it works, you can indicate to join my dedicated trading class, whereby I teach people. If you have been blowing account, maybe you have the blown account, you have funded $100, you blown it. You have funded $500, you blown it. You have funded $10,000, you blown the account. This enrollment is for you. Most importantly, for those that are blowing accounts, for those that are blowing account, and those that are liquidating their account, this trading course is for you. I'm running this course for the sake of traders. You can see this is live trade. If you're interested for me to make a live trade, I will make a live trade for you to see, and I will close it live for you to see. I will enter live and I will close it live. If you want to see that, I can do it for you in this channel. If you're interested for me to take a live trade, let DM me in the comment section, say live trade, and I will make a live trade. I will enter a trade with you, and I will tell you the time I'm entering, and I will close a trade, and I will tell you the time I'm closing it. You will see the history live if you want it, because this is live trading. I've just shown you. So if you want live trade, indicate, I will do it. If you want me to do it with you, I can do it with you. If you want me to do a live trade, I will do it as well and show you the proof for real. So this industry of trading is not something you just jump in to make billions. You can see after some days of trading, up to a week, you see that I made 10%. So imagine you have $100,000, you make 10%. That is $10,000. If you have $100,000 in your account, in a week you make 10%. Now that is $10,000. This is $100,000. In a week you make 10%. That is what I've just showed you now. You can see the account there is over 10%, 12% profit. That's what I just showed you, minus my loss over the week trade. Now, if you have $100,000, you could have made $10,000 as a profit. If you have $10,000, you could have made $1,000 as a profit. If you are trading with me, I give signals as well, but I'm more interested in teaching you how to be more profitable, so you can trade yourself. You can be a master one day as well, because if you are doing signal every day, you can't really master trading. But if you're just looking for money, you can enroll for the signal class, which I give anytime I'm trading. I give the signal to the people that have enrolled in that signal class. Then they will trade along and make profit as well. So if it is loss, you can make losses, but I tell you when to close. If there's a loss, I tell you when to close to avoid losses. And after everything, after days of trading, you will know that you are not losing, you are profiting. That's the benefit. You can lose a day, you can lose 2 times, but you will not be losing after multiple trades. That's how this industry works if you are a profitable trader. So that's how it works. So if you're interested to be profitable, maybe you have blown one account, you have blown 2 accounts, you are not seeing profit. There are ways to trade. You could have more profit. You can have 20% profit for real. Yeah, for real. Within days, that's for real. You can even make 30% profit for real, for in a matter of days. Depends on your capital. If you have 100K, you can make 10K to 20K. You can see the live calculation I'm making for you. So if assuming you trade with $10,000, you could have made $10,000, $1,000 now. So assuming you traded with $100,000, you could be making $10,000 just with few days of trading. This is knowledge, not something you can just do with as a newbie. A beginner, you will be seeing red everywhere. If you are a beginner, you'll be seeing red everywhere. But now you are seeing plus, only 2 red out of multiple trades. That tells you that this is a profitable trading. So if you want to learn more, I can be teaching you the basics, which is for trading course. If you're interested to learn the basics, how chart work, how patterns, I teach all departments. I teach about indicators, I teach about candles, I teach about news, and I teach about trend. All departments and styles and strategies, I teach them in this channel, in the enrollment class, in the trading class. So if you have been using indicators and it's not working for you, I will explain better how to use it. If you have been using candles and it's not working for you, I will explain how to use candle properly. If you have been using news and it's not working for you, I will tell you how to use news properly. If you are trading trend, I will tell you how it works and how to use trend properly. So these are the basic things you will get, and alongside potential topics like psychology of trading, risk management, and how to avoid blowing of account and liquidations. These are things you should know as a beginner, as a trader. So these are things I teach in the class, the trading class. So if you're interested, I will leave my email, which you can get to me. I can leave the email in the description of this video and in the comment section. So if you don't find the email in the comment section, check the description of this video. You will see the email to reach out to me if you want to enroll for the trading class. You can do one of live video if you are interested. Then you can join the students that are earning in this industry. Trading is not a magic, it's a skill. You learn to be profitable. You don't just become profitable from trying. You feel, before I reach this extent, I've blown account before. Understand? So it's different mindset shift and different psychology, different mentality you'll be having to be profitable. That's just the basic secret, and which I'll be breaking down in the classes. So like I said, if you're interested, I will leave the link, the email at which you can DM me. I will leave our free WhatsApp group as well, whereby I talk about airdrops and how to earn for free, how to earn free money through mining. And I will leave that group in the description below, so you can join the group and DM the admin. The message will get back to me. If you are interested in the trading class, you want to enroll in that class, let me know in that group. When you join the group, message the admin. The message will get to me, then I can reply to your message and tell you how you can enroll for it. Then after enrollment, there's different class, like I told you. There's a signal class where you will not be learning those things. You will just be taking trade according to how I'm taking. But if I'm interested to learn how and possibly want to be like me someday, then you should go for the trading course, where you can learn the basics, any strategy and styles. I've tried all and I know the one that work for me. I can tell you how all of them work with proof in this channel with my live trade, and so on and so forth. So guys, this is the update I wish to share with you for traders or those that want to become traders in the future. So guys, this is the update. More updates will be coming. I'll be making more trading videos like I told you, and I'll be showing you my live trades here in this channel. So guys, bye for now. Peace out. And also, if you're interested to watch more of my videos, do well to subscribe to this channel. Share the video to people like you that will see this video. Share it to them. If you have anyone that is interested in the financial market, I teach forex, not just on crypto. This is Bitcoin trading. So if you want to learn forex, I also teach about forex. If you want to trade gold, you want to be trading other assets like Nasdaq, commodity, meta, whatever, I can give you trading and teachings in all departments on any asset. You understand? Those are the things I teach about. Forex and crypto, they are all what I talk about in this channel. And any like mining and farming, airdrops, anything concerning any in the financial market and the digital industry, I teach them in this channel. Do well to subscribe if you're interested. Like the video so that it will encourage me to do more for you. And if you're interested in any special classes and enrollment which I just talked about, reach out to me through premium membership, premium partnership 1 email gmail.com, premium partnership 1 gmail.com. I will leave the email at the description below or the comment section so that you can reach out to me. And I will leave my group as well. That's a free group to join. If after joining the group, that is a group for mining and those that are farming airdrops, you can join that group and DM me. Send a DM to the admin. The message will get to me and I will reply to you. Those are 2 ways you can get to me now. More ways will be coming, but for now, these are the 2 ways you can reach out to me and to know more of my service, which I do. I also do mentorship to mentor you, to guide you one-on-one mentorship, what to do, what not to do in the industry. So guys, that is it for today. Bye for now. Peace out.